It's Naija Vlogs, period, and we're back with another video. So this is just a current update after the hurricane that we just had. We ended up having to come to Fayetteville because we have a newborn baby and we don't want her to be in the heat or nothing. And I know y'all see me in the hallway looking confused, so we are in the hotel in Fayetteville. So like this is like an update report. So today we're just gonna have like a family day with the kids and stuff because it's nice out, everything's good. And this is my cousin. Hello. Your name? Yeah, we're like twins. Like it's my cousin, but it's my sister because we got the same birthday. Yeah. Our birthday is in 11 days, September 18th. Mark your calendars. And we'll see you in the next clip. I'm gonna show you some clips. I hope y'all put me on Instagram. With up there with.
I'm not the one. I'm not the one. You see my nails, bitch.
We're going to my cousin's room right now. We're currently getting in the elevator. The lighting's kind of bad. But yeah, we're getting in the elevator to go to her room to get her swimwear and stuff. Taking the kids to the pool. It's just me and her. Other kids got in trouble. But kids is kids. They do that. So hopefully the next clip would be in a pool. Yeah. But okay, bye guys in the elevator. Don't mind my hair. I took a nap. But it took them a while to clean the pool and make sure it was clean and stuff because we had a hurricane. And it came through Fayetteville too, but we just mostly got rain and wind. So it like blew everything into the pool and they had to clean it. So right now I'm going to the kids' room to go get the kids. See you when I get. Hey guys, I just came from getting the kids. And we're all going to the pool. And I got this on my head. I don't want to get my hair wet and have to redo it and comb it and brush it. That's just too much. So we're on our way to the pool right now. And I'll try to get some clips of us jumping in the pool and stuff. Okay, guys, this is the next clip. So it took a while because he told us to wait an hour to clean the pool because the chairs and stuff had flooded. We waited an hour. Came back 2:30, 3:30. Still pool's not done. Then we came back again. He said hour was about 3:30. It's 4 o'clock. The pool still has leaves in it. And he's nowhere to be found. So I'm gonna give this man a couple more minutes and I'm gonna find him. Then the other kids ended up getting in trouble. So I had to leave them. So now it's just her, the one that was in the other clip, and the other two that was in the other clip. You'll see them. We're all there. And we're not supposed to because they take it too fucking long. And I'm fucking tired of fucking waiting. I'm tired of this yin y'all. Leave me alone shit.
In the water.
We're tired of waiting, so we're just on.
I'm right here.
They are scared to get in because they
I'm
said
not scared.
no. Didi and Gotti are scared. Keep me right here. Didi and Gotti are scared to get in because the people said that we can't get in yet.
Yep. And I'm not scared.
Period, sis. Because they was taking too long. They've been cleaning this pool since 10 o'clock.
Back in 2 hours.
They said come out by 2:30. Came in by 2:30. 3 o'clock hit. Came in 3 o'clock. Then I fell asleep around 3 something. And they said come at 3. He said come at 3. I come at 3. He's not out here. He's nowhere to be found. The pool is not all the way cleaned out here. And he's like really doing too much. Exactly. I'm ready to go home. How about y'all? Y'all ready to go back?
Yeah, I'm ready to go back.
Okay, girl. I'm about to get out of this because you're doing too much.
Can I get it? Can I get it?
Okay. See you in the next clip. Motherfucking hotel ever in fucking Fayetteville. We can't even get in the pool. This nigga talking about something. I try to have it done by y'all before I get off of work at 5. Then he's talking about some goddamn order to be up tomorrow. Bitch, we paid $3 for this fucking hotel. Then we can't even get in the fucking pool if we want to. Bitch, it's a nice day after a motherfucking hurricane. Oh, you got me fucking. really got rooms on the 3rd floor and the 2nd floor, but we came to the 4th floor to see everything. But he really got me messed up talking about something. He get off at 5. He'd try to have it done for us by then, and then definitely try to have it done by tomorrow. All you gotta do is get the little thing on. This hotel got ice and vending machines, freaking rooms with no vending machine. Like, what the fuck? YouTube channel will be coming soon.
I forgot what it's called, but it's called Come Here Messiah the Greatest. It says support.
With his big smoking man, he's shorty. Yeah, big 3. Yeah, you know I'm the goat of my city. You know what you